Every type of Beast Swarm player. Beginners probably got forced to play by a friend. Most likely will quit in the next 5 minutes. Innocent for now. Mid-game players, serious Beast Swarm Simulator players, have been grinding for weeks. Can't stop playing BSS. Very handsome, not completely innocent. Endgame players, dedicated BSS players, been grinding forever. Considered to be jerks by the community. Innocent most of the time. Red Porto Hive players, very quiet. Won't steal sprouts. Very compliant. Innocent. Blue Porto Hive players, if you see one, switch servers. Will constantly beg you. You can summon one by placing a sprout. Evil corrupted demons. Porcelain players, still figuring out the game. Great players to go to for tips. Innocent. Subscribe.